Welcome to this little Jigsaw Planet tutorial. If you go to www.jigsawplanet.com, then click on Create, then you can choose your file. Here's a picture that I found. Then you can choose how many pieces you want to have in your jigsaw. You can choose the shape of the pieces that you want. Oh, you can choose to make them rotate, but it might make it harder. If you want to add tags, you can. You want to tell it that you're not a robot. Then create. Let's see what it does. Oh, okay. How's this going to work? Goodness me, this is going to be hard. I think I'll pause you while I solve this. It's going to take a while. I'm making progress slowly, getting there. Hey, oh, rats. Oops, sorry. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, this really is quite hard. I would not have thought that. Oops, what am I doing? Oh dear. Oh, nearly there. Oops. Come on. What? Oh, okay. Yes! Oh yeah. Now you can share these as well with other people, which is kind of fun. It possibly doesn't teach the kids very much, but I think they'll really enjoy it.